Hello my friends, look what I found at Goodwill today. Look at that receipt right there. Look at this. Okay, please don't look at my social security number on here. Okay, it's not there. So here we go, check this out. $4.59 with tax. And I bought this at Goodwill. My friends, there is so much jewelry, silver, there's gold, there's gems at thrift stores, and it's there. But people are getting it, people are finding it. So I want to show you the mark. So basically, I haven't tested these to see if they're diamonds. They might be like CZ, they might be diamonds. I don't really know for sure. But I want to go ahead and show you how I know that this is actually silver. So one thing, if you're looking at jewelry, this might help you. Like if you're looking at the showcase and it's like all this jewelry, it can kind of help to like know what to look for. One thing that can help you is if you go on eBay, if you start looking at like 14 karat gold jewelry, sterling silver jewelry, and just start looking, and you kind of start getting like a feel for it and what it looks like. So one thing is if you notice a clasp, like something like this, this might not guarantee that it's real jewelry, but if you see a clasp, that can be like, hey, you know what? That's probably a good piece to look at. And so if you see that, you might want to go ahead and start, you might want to look at it more closer. So right here, I want to show you. Here is how you know that it's sterling silver. And they see that mark right there? Mm-hmm. And can they see the 925? Hold on, let me put it down here. Can you try to focus in or zoom in or something? 925. So what 925 means is sterling silver. There might be different marks for sterling silver. It might say 950, 800 coin for like coin silver, maybe 90, 925, and basically 925. It's supposed to be about like 92.5% silver. So I have like 1,000 parts. 925 of those parts are supposed to be silver. So there might be like copper mixed in with it. That's like sterling silver. So basically, look for 925. It might say sterling, STG. There's different things. For gold, it might say 585, 14K, that should mean the same thing. 750 or 18K, that's the same thing. There's 10K and it might be, is it 417? There's like all these different marks and stuff to help you identify like silver and gold. So this looks like it's actually gold plated silver, which is kind of unique and cool. And then I want to give you another tip. And this may not guarantee that it's real jewelry, but it might give you like another sign to look for, to like kind of see. So if you look at something and you see, okay, it has all these like little like stones, right? So then if you notice that the back is like opened up, like you might want to consider that a sign that you should be looking closer at it, okay? Just like maybe, you know what, I probably want to look closer at that one. Like if you notice, so like let's say it's in the display case like this, it's like sitting here, and you maybe try to lean over and look and see if the back is open. Also, if there's like a mirror behind it, so maybe look in the mirror and try to look back at it to see if it like has like an open back. And another, like, let's say it's sitting there and you're looking at it, but you may not be able to see it quite right. So maybe try to look in the mirror, like if there's like a mirror behind the jewelry counter in the thrift store, and see if you can see a mark like looking into the mirror. That might help you as well. So anyways, my friends, I love y'all. Thank y'all so much. There's a lot out there. God loves you, and He has a plan and purpose for your life. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. Please turn on notifications. And thank you all so much for watching. Love y'all. Bye.